We are making Jamaican ribs with rum barbecue sauce. You need 1 rack of ribs, 3/4 pound cup of rum, and 1 tablespoon of jerk seasoning. Season with the jerk seasoning. Marinate with the rum 1 hour overnight. Preheat oven 350. Place your rib in a roasting pan with 1/2 cup of rum. Cover it with aluminum foil. Bake an hour to an hour and a half or until tender. And season them in the Jamaican jerk seasoning. Now I'm getting ready to make my barbecue sauce. I like it quick and easy. And this barbecue sauce is coconut rum barbecue sauce. So let's get down to it. You're gonna need 1 to 2 bottles of barbecue sauce, 1/2 cup of coconut milk. You can use a little bit more coconut milk if you're trying to stretch it. 1/2 cup of rum. I'm using coconut rum, but you can use dark or spice. Some barbecue sauce. Now, if you notice, I got me some Budweiser barbecue sauce, and I'm gonna get ahead and add a little bit with my coconut milk. So that's what we get ready to do now. And then, so for about 2 pounds of ribs, you're gonna need 1 whole jar of barbecue sauce. You're gonna need 1 whole can of coconut milk, and you get preferably dark rum. Now with me, this is not 2 pounds of ribs. This is about maybe a pound, maybe a pound and a half. So I'm cutting this recipe, but in the recipe will be the full description. So I'm gonna pour some of this in, and you want to mix this really good. So I'm gonna mix this coconut milk in with the barbecue sauce. You ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, to take some of my barbecue sauce that's still left in the jar, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of the rum in. And to shake up, because I'm all about savings. Shake up whatever barbecue sauce is all on the side. You want to get all that barbecue sauce up out of it. Plus, it's a good way to mix it. Now, if you don't like coconut, then you just get you some regular Bacardi or dark rum, whatever rum you like, and just don't add any coconut milk. If you taste this, always taste your food. If you taste this and it's a little too strong, then just add some more coconut milk. If you're not using coconut milk, then add a little bit more of your barbecue sauce that you've made. So now it comes down to dipping and brushing. Now a lot of people just pour on their ribs. I love to brush because I want it on each and every part of my ribs. I also want that jerk seasoning to get ahead and marinade with my barbecue sauce. Now remember, we've already cooked the ribs, already in some rum. So this dish is not for children. Making coconut ribs, man. Back in the oven for about 10 minutes. Yummy, yummy for my tummy.